This is Ravi Singareddy from Atlanta, and as we are discussing about YSR railway exam, in this part I have given a presentation earlier video regarding the Telangana railway ring project, and I have received a couple of comments and everything on this project. Let me go about how to execute Telangana railway ring project. As you all know that how strong I am support of execution of a Telangana railway ring project. So far I have received very good feedback and some comments on executing this project. Some people suggested me to send photocopies of Telangana railway ring project to Member of Parliament and Railway Minister of India. I will print up these project documents and send them to these officials. But how many times does it happen that these requests are taken seriously? Maybe 1 in 100? No way. Odds are 1 in billion. These requests are dumped somewhere in storeroom, or these design papers may be used for take of food. Otherwise, take appointment with a railway minister and explain your ideas. If you are lucky enough to get appointment, you will get maybe 5 or 10 minutes of time. And it depends on mood of railway minister and may say, oh, it is a brilliant idea, and get a pat on your back. Your chest will double in size and you will be thinking of this situation rest of your life. But the project never will be executed. I do not want to camp out in Delhi and wait for a call from 10 Janpath. So, there is no chance of executing this project. Taking inspiration from a recent incident, there is a democratic process exists to achieve this plan. Here is the plan. What are the parliamentary constituencies which will benefit from Telangana railway ring project? And if you look into the parliamentary constituencies, here they are. One is Adilabad, it is reserved as a ST, scheduled tribe. Nizamabad, Peddapalli, that is reserved for scheduled caste. Jahirabad, Medak, Karimnagar, Warangal, Mahbubabad, Khammam, Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda, Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Malkajgiri, Chevella, Bongir, Nagar Karnool is a scheduled caste. Nasraupet, Lathur in Maharashtra, Bidar in Karnataka, Nanded in Maharashtra. So, these are 21 parliamentary constituencies which will be benefited from Telangana railway ring project. So, I am looking for a political solution for executing Telangana railway ring project. I am looking for 21 strong candidates with a good educational background who are in these respective constituencies, who believes in following ideology, YSR ideology. United Andhra Pradesh and India, strong commitment of implementation of YSR Arogyasri program, strong commitment to implement 104 and 108 services, rural development. All the political and social activities will be held under YSR name and image. I am Ravi Singareddy, will be contesting from Nizamabad constituency and will be looking for 20 more strong people who are committed to do things. All these 21 people, all they need to do, arrange small groups in towns and villages in their respective constituencies, talk about benefits of execution of Telangana railway ring project. In next 3 years, talk and convince at least 1 lakh people in your respective communities. Take as many photos and record speeches and we will keep record of these events in respective constituencies. If any political party which is ready to work with above 5 conditions, and also first file they are going to sign is YSR Railway Yagam project if they come to power in 2014, and also we will run under their party. Otherwise, we will form political party to execute this project. So I am looking for 20 individuals who are committed to execute this project. If you are interested to join in this initiative, please send your resume to singareddy@yahoo.com, or you can call me at 678-438-4294. And my contact information is singareddy, SINGAREDDY @yahoo.com, or you can call me at 678-438-4294. And on the other hand, I'm working on other states also. I have just completed Karnataka, what are the different kind of railway licenses needed in Karnataka, and also Chhattisgarh and Odisha, and I will be putting those information maybe in a next 1 week or so. So trust me, we can execute this project. And Jai Hind, signing off from Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you. Have a nice day.